making some mulled wine. So for this, you will need a bottle of dry wine, red wine, some mulled spices, and I like to use cinnamon sticks, some cloves, star anise, and a fresh orange. Into a saucepan with your red wine. Okay. And then we break up some cinnamon sticks. Remember to keep a whole stick for garnish. Okay. So we're going to use 5 or 6 star anise. And the same with the cloves. So we will use half an orange slice to garnish, and the big wheels we'll put into our mulled wine. Okay. We're going to put this on the stove now. We're not going to boil it, we're just going to simmer it for about 15 to 20 minutes. You will see lots of recipes that will have up to 3 hours on the stove, but this will just reduce it to nothing. So quickly before it goes onto the stove, you will add your sweetener. So I like to use maple syrup. Honey is acceptable, and also brown or white sugar. So I use about 200 ml of maple syrup before it goes on to boil. The mulled wine is now ready. The spices coming off, the aroma of this mulled wine is like every Christmas market in Europe. It's famous throughout Europe, all different countries, all different names, originated from the Romans for the soldiers. Everything used to be for medicinal purposes. So I'm going to ensure that the spices and the cloves are left in the pan, and I am going to ladle a portion of the mulled wine into my glass. This mulled wine will keep for up to 3 days refrigerated and can be re-warmed when you need it. Left now is to garnish, so I will do that with a cinnamon stick, orange, and 2 star anise. Cheers everyone, Merry Christmas.